Hello everyone, and welcome to Gravity Forms Basics. Now, in a previous video, we learned how to make a multi-page form from an advanced contact form. Now, if you haven't seen those videos yet, be sure to check them out via the links in the description, as those topics are extremely important for what we are learning today, which is all about conditional logic. Now, once you do have a multi-page form already, first thing we're going to do is to add a trigger field, which is basically just going to be um, any field that will be affected by the conditional logic. Now, just for the sake of simplicity, let's use a dropdown. There we go. Let's place that under reason for contact. Now, as you might remember, the choices for reason for contact are remote consultation, in-person meeting, and rescheduling. So, for this particular purpose, we're going to focus on rescheduling. So, for this drop-down field, we're going to rename that time available, or something like that. And then we're going to edit the choices, something like 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m. Now, you can always add more labels by clicking the plus button. But for now, let's just stick with these three. All right, so we already have our choices for this drop-down field. Now, we can click conditional logic. You can find it all the way here at the bottom. And then click enable conditional logic. Now, as you can see here, these are your options: show or hide, all or any. Now, what we're going to do is go with reason for contact and then rescheduling. And that's it. Now, all you need to do is save the form, go to live preview, and then make the changes as you please. Now you know how to do basic conditional logic. See you next time. Be sure to hit like and subscribe for more content about all things Gravity Forms.